What is AWS Cloud Map? AWS Cloud Map is a cloud resource discovery service. With AWS Cloud Map, you can define custom names for your application resources, and it maintains the updated location of these dynamically changing resources. This increases your application availability because your web service always discovers the most up-to-date locations of its resources. Modern applications are typically composed of multiple services that are accessible over an API and performs a specific function. Each service interacts with a variety of other resources such as databases, queues, object stores, and customer-defined microservices, and they also need to be able to find the location of all the infrastructure resources on which it depends. In order to function, you typically manually manage all these resource names and their locations within the application code. However, manual resource management becomes time-consuming and error-prone as the number of dependent infrastructure resources increases or the number of microservices dynamically scale up and down based on traffic. You can also use third-party service discovery products, but this requires installing and managing additional software and infrastructure. AWS Cloud Map allows you to register any application resources such as databases, queues, microservices, and other cloud resources with custom names. AWS Cloud Map then constantly checks the health of resources to make sure the location is up to date. The application can then query the registry for the location of the resources needed based on the application version and deployment environment.